Welcome back to my channel. My name's Harley, and if you're coming back, I'm going to be slowing down my upload schedule to one video every 2 weeks rather than a video a week because I just got a new job and I am busy. So, just want to let you know before this video started, if you're new, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you get the color out of your hair, okay? Okay, Godspeed. Oh god, okay. So, today, I wasn't expecting to make a video, but I think this is the day. I've been hired at a job that really won't, that really won't allow my hair to be blue. So, I've been putting questionable things in my hair for the last week. Actually, more like 3 days, I don't know. And I faded it a bit, quite a bit, but it's not coming out. My hair has been this color for like 6 months. And I know that bleach isn't gonna get it out, and I don't want to bleach it. I went back to Sally's today. $40 later. 2 boxes of Ion Brilliance color corrector, because I think I'm probably gonna need both gloves and cheap moisturizing conditioner from Dollar Tree. And then if this thing doesn't work, I have a, a rose quartz dye. It's a very pastel color to maybe tone the blue out of my hair. I put on an old shirt. Got my towel. I usually use the Ion Sky Blue, but this last time I used the Ion Sapphire, which the fading is literally the same. I remove cap from this, part 1, add color remover packet, part 2, and this into this. Vigorously shake until thoroughly mixed. I don't know, I'm probably gonna leave it on for an hour. I cannot tell you how much I hope this works. I don't care if I have to do 2. Oh my god, I just want it to work. I've been doing a lot to my hair in the last couple days. Washing it. I put hot oil on my hair and then put vinegar on it. I smelled like a salad. I've been washing my hair with I've been letting vinegar set on my head, and then the whole vitamin C thing, that didn't work. Nothing actually works, so let me just tell you that. If you're here trying to figure out how to get this stupid Ion Brilliance color, blah blah blah, blue out of your hair, just don't. I mean, you can fade it, but it's not actually going to come out of your hair. Hello. It's been an hour. I haven't looked at it. I don't know what it's gonna be like. Okay. 1, 2. Whoa! Okay. Something happened. Something happened. All right. Okay. So I'm a stupid head, and I got a bunch of this. Oh my god. Okay, so I wasn't actually trying to get the dye on my brown hair, but I did get some of it on my brown hair, and it bleached my hair. Okay. I guess I was gonna bleach it anyway, but okay. My hair doesn't feel like it's, okay, so, since it is so light now, there's a couple of spots that are a little less light, and I probably will need to use the other color corrector. But what is it? Yeah, sick. I'm going to use this rose quartz and mix it with a bunch of conditioner and let that sit on my hair for, I don't know, we'll see. I don't know how dark it is. Oh gosh. Okay. Because I think I just need to try and tone the color out. Because I think it can be lightened out a lot, but there's still going to be a little blue left, so let's see. I don't know. Basically, I think I'm going to end up with purple hair. A really light purple. Then, I'm going to do the color thing again, and hopefully it doesn't just take the pink right off. That would suck. And then it might turn to like an ash, or white, or even blonde. I don't, any of those, I'll take it. It is kind of pink, a little bit purple, but this side is a little more blue than the other. And then obviously I got the color corrector where it wasn't supposed to be, and that's why the hair next to it is orange. But I'm going... So basically I just used the color corrector again, and I don't think I mentioned it in the 2 hours of footage that I'm having to sift through, but it didn't make my hair feel like nearly as damaged as it does when I bleach it. And so yeah. This clip is like hours after the last clip. It was 9:30 at this point, and I had done a lot to my hair, like trying to like tone the color out without actual toner. My hair was very green and still very yellow. So honestly, at this point I was feeling very discouraged, and I went to bed, and the next clip is from the next Saturday. Toned my hair with actual toner, and it's not perfect, but it's a lot better than what it was. You can still see there's a little bit of orange that's next to my roots, but you know, I'm planning on bleaching those in sometime. I'll be doing my roots, but not now. So this is the finished product. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, maybe subscribe. Bye.